Welcome to County Portal, your simple source for local government services and public records. Let's get started.
Today we're tackling a tough question that many people are afraid to ask. Why does the child support system often feel so incredibly unfair to fathers? The goal of child support is simple and noble: to ensure a child's financial needs are met by both parents after a separation. But the way the system works in practice can leave many dads feeling like they're treated as a wallet instead of a parent. Let's break down some of the key reasons for this feeling. First, many of the formulas used to calculate payments are based on outdated models. They were often designed in an era when dads were the sole breadwinners and moms were the primary, if not sole, caregivers. Society has changed dramatically. We now have dual-income households and fathers who are more involved in their children's daily lives than ever before. Yet, the legal framework can feel stuck in the past, often defaulting to a model where the non-custodial parent, usually the father, pays a large sum to the custodial parent, usually the mother, regardless of how much he's already contributing. Second, child support is directly tied to parenting time. In many states, the less time you have with your child, the more you pay. This can create a terrible dynamic where custody battles become more about finances than about what's truly best for the child. It can make a father feel like he is being financially punished for not having his kids with him every single day, even if the custody arrangement was court-ordered or mutually agreed upon. Third, there's a major lack of transparency and accountability. A father writes a check every month, but he has zero say in how that money is actually spent. There's no requirement for the receiving parent to show that the funds are being used directly for the child's needs, like housing, food, or clothing. This can lead to immense frustration, especially when the father is also paying for all the child's expenses during his own parenting time. He's buying clothes, food, and paying for activities, yet that direct support is rarely factored into the official calculation. It feels like paying for the same child twice. Finally, the system often ignores the father's own basic cost of living. The formulas can be so rigid that they leave a dad with barely enough money to support himself, let alone maintain a suitable home for when his children visit. He needs a proper place for them with their own beds and space, but the calculation might not leave him enough to afford it after the payment is made. It's not about men not wanting to support their children, it's about wanting a system that is fair, transparent, and recognizes them as equal parents, not just automated teller machines. Thanks for watching. We know this is a complex and personal issue. If this video helped you understand the perspective, please hit the like button and be sure to subscribe to the channel for more content that dives into these important conversations. We'd love to hear your thoughts and experiences in the comments below.